Check out the Boeing 777X strutting its stuff, man. This thing's a beast. We're talking the baddest, meanest, single largest thrust engine on the planet, rocking the stage at an aviation show. This ain't your grandma's plane. It's Boeing's 777X. A long-haul, wide-body, twin-engine jet available in 2 flavors. And oh boy, it's going to be the biggest, baddest, most kick-ass twin-engine bird out there. What's the deal? It's got these newfangled foldable wingtips made of fancy composite materials. We're talking wider cabins, mega thrust engines, and foldable wingtips. A first of its kind in commercial planes. Foldable wings, baby. They add an extra 6 meters to the wings, giving us better performance and efficiency. The Boeing 777X is a beast, 76.73 meters long, 19.68 meters high, and with wings stretching a whopping 71.75 meters. It weighs in at a hefty 351.5 tons on takeoff. At the Farnborough International Air Show, the 7X showed off some crazy stunts. Picture this. A steep-ass takeoff angle powered by 2 GE9X turbo engines with fan diameters the size of a small house, 3.4 meters. Each engine cranks out more than 60 tons of thrust. Plus, they've thrown in 65 ceramic composite materials to make it lighter and more fuel efficient. Trust me, seeing this in action head-on, mind-blowing, dude.